Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. In this video, we're going to show you how to download and install Better Discord. So Better Discord app is actually against the terms of service of Discord. So you just need to follow the step-by-step procedure so you can download this Better Discord. So first up, you just need to go to your website and open up betterdiscord.app and go to your homepage. So what you're going to do here, just need to download or click on download this button that right here, and it will show you at the top right hand of your screen that it is now starting to download this application. Now once you've done right there, so you just need to click on the exe file to start installing to your computer. So you just need to wait for a few seconds right over here. And then once you've done, you will find a information pops up right here, Better Discord. And right from here, you just need to click this I accept the license agreement and click on next button, and then click on install Better Discord. Once you've done right there, click on that folder and click on install. So you just need to wait for a few seconds again while installing this Better Discord on your Discord app. So as you can see, your Discord app will be restarting now. Now once you've done here, open up your Discord and you will find that Better app. Right here, you just need to close this pops up message and then click on the user settings right here at the bottom left and scroll down. You'll find Better Discord. Now if you want to make sure that your Better Discord will not track by the Discord, all you need to do is go back to Better Discord website and then click on plugins. So from here, we're gonna search for a do not track plugin. So we're gonna find the track on search box and click on search and then download this do not track plugin. Once you've done downloading this plugin, go back to your Discord. And from here on your Discord app, as you can see, go to plugins under the Better Discord. So click on this and here click on open plugin folder and it will open up your file explorer. So just need to click on the file explorer here. All you need to do is drag and drop the plugin right here, or you can actually copy or cut. So just need to copy or cut this one, go back to that folder and paste it right here. Once you've done, go back to your Discord app. As you can see, click on download now button. And once you've done, click on this enable or toggle it on to enable this plugin on your Discord. So that's how you basically install this Better Discord on your Discord app, and it won't be detected by your Discord application. So that's how you basically download and install Better Discord on your computer. So if you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.